Hello guys, welcome to another video on Cassy World YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to learn about the top 5 cryptocurrencies to buy in 2022. If you are still struggling to make money or you are just a beginner at making money online, make sure you join my free webinar as I give you the step-by-step guide to get started and make consistent passive income online. The link to join this free webinar is in the description box below. Click on it to join for free. And a quick advice, make sure you watch this video to the end to get the most value out of it. Let's start with today's video without wasting too much of your time. So today, I'm going to talk about which cryptocurrencies to buy in 2022 to make good money. Let's begin. 1. Bitcoin. As you know, Bitcoin was the first cryptocurrency ever made. It was created by a person named Satoshi Nakamoto. He wrote the code for Bitcoin and put it on the internet. The SHA-256 hash algorithm is used by Bitcoin, a popular and good hash that is also used in Solana. If you look, you will see that Bitcoin was the first thing of its kind. Bitcoin is very expensive because of this. 2. Ethereum. My favorite cryptocurrency is Ethereum. It is quicker than Bitcoin and the transaction takes 10 seconds. It was made in a better way, so there are smart contracts in it. Ethereum is the foundation for many other platforms. It is a very safe place. On Ethereum, NFTs are bought and sold. 3. Matic. Polygon Matic is the next generation of the blockchain. It was made to help Ethereum better handle smart contracts. They have lower fees than Ethereum and are used to trade a lot of NFTs. It is very easy to buy and sell. 4. Solana. After Ethereum, my favorite coin is Solana, which is called the Ethereum Pillar. A transaction on Ethereum takes 10 seconds, but on Solana, it only takes 0.4 seconds. Its prices are lower than all because Solana works so well, all the platforms are moving toward it. It is also being used by new platforms and even used to build NFTs. The fact that the apps are now moving to Solana is the main reason for its success. 5. Cardano. I see it as normal cryptography, but it has some good things about it. Cardano is different from others because it lets users earn rewards for validating transactions on the network. It uses POST protocol, that's proof of stake. Cardano is also energy sufficient. By staking a native token, it takes part in the process of validating blocks. In general, your crypto portfolio should be split into 3 parts. You should put 70% of your money into Bitcoin and Ethereum. You should put 20% of it into coins like Matic, Solana, Cardano, and so on. Then 10% of your money should be put into new things, or you can gamble with it, which I don't recommend. But if it's a new blockchain and it sounds interesting, you should probably give it a try. Thanks for watching my video to this end. I hope you apply the tips in this video. You must take action to get results. The secret to generating income online is in my free webinar. Make sure you join to learn all the techniques the gurus use to make consistent passive income online. It's available worldwide and beginner friendly. Click on the link below this video in the description box to join the webinar and learn these secret tricks. And don't forget to like this video, leave below all your feedback and suggestions. And if you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe. Turn on the notification bell to receive alerts anytime I drop one of my awesome videos. Make sure you watch the other videos on your screen right now. See you in my next video.